Hi guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Today we have got our first Marvel video. Finally. I've been waiting a while to film this for you guys. They've been sat on my desk. We are going to be unboxing Guardians of the Galaxy mystery minis. Now, I purchased these off eBay because that was the cheapest place to get them, because everywhere else online in the UK they are sold out or really, really expensive. So they may not come as normally packaged in the box, but we'll find out when we get to them. First, I would like to talk to you about a pin that I purchased recently, which is the rabbit and owl pin from the Loungefly Winnie the Pooh honeycomb collection. Now, I needed this pin to complete the series, and I thought I'd just show it off to you guys because it's so beautiful. I will link the pin unboxing up above for you so you can check it out for yourself. But I think these pins are absolutely stunning, with just the yellow and the honeycomb style in the background. And rabbit and owl are so rare. And on the back, just like the park pins, they've got that waffling, but it's the Funko crown, because Funko bought Loungefly, I should say. But Loungefly pins are tradable in the parks because they have the Disney copyright at the bottom. I think this is so beautiful and was one of my favourites in that series, so I just had to have it. So now that we've talked about this amazing new pin, let's get on to our unboxing. So in this series, there are 12 to collect, and all of these have a 1 in 12 chance. We have two versions of Star-Lord in different poses, 2 rockets in different poses, Groot, Drax, Gamora, Nebula. Then you've got Glow Drax over here, Ronan, Glow Nebula and Metallic Ronan. So out of this series, I would love either of the Star-Lords, Groot or Rocket, because they are my favourites. I've got 3 of these to unbox today, but we'll unbox more if I like the look at these and want to complete the series. So as this was brought off eBay, you can see it's already been opened and the packet has been opened, but they very kindly left the bag intact to keep it nice and safe in the box. Oh, we've got Nebula! And as you can see, these are bobble heads. I love just the colours they've gone for on the top of her head. And as you can see, the gold metallic. I believe this is the normal Nebula, not the Glow Nebula, but that's fine. I love Nebula though, especially when it comes to Endgame and Infinity War, when she starts to change her mind and join her sister and the Guardians, because obviously she becomes a hero then. So we're into our next box, and the same as before, this is opened. We have Drax! Oh, I love Drax. He is just so funny. And look, he's got 2 different swords So he's ready to fight. And I don't know if I mentioned, but as you can see, these are bobbleheads. And all around him, he's got his different tattoos. Oh, he is amazing. He does not stand very well. On my desk, he is falling over, so I have to blue tack him. Onto our last box. So let's open this up, if it will let me get into it. I think I haven't gotten what I've asked for because I put it out into the universe, but we'll see. Oh, I've got a double of Drax. So I wonder if one of these glow because they look slightly different. No, it's possibly just a duplicate because I did order them at separate times. I ordered one on its own and then two together because I realised I should have bought more. But if you enjoyed this unboxing, I will certainly buy more for you, or to unbox for you guys and do a part 2. I have to say my favourite in this unboxing, even though he was our duplicate, was definitely Drax. I find Drax in the movies like so funny and so entertaining with just his one-liners, and he is amazing. All of these will go perfectly on my little Funko display that I am creating, which you will see when it's finished in a future video. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to comment down below letting me know which was your favourite and what you thought of the pin that I showed you at the beginning of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys!